Yo, what up? How's it going, friend? So today, let me go ahead and teach you how you can remove the search icon or the search bar from your Shopify origin theme. So today's video, you're gonna make it look just like this, all right? Now let's get straight to the video. Tataria. So right here is my origin theme, all right? And I'm gonna go ahead and click on customize. And the moment I click on that, I just landed on this page here, okay? And the next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to be teaching you several tricks here, okay? Possibly 2 tricks and possibly I'm going to add one more. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to first use the base.css and the custom.css and the custom liquid. So now let's go ahead and use the base.css. And to do that, it's very easy to just copy paste. So don't fear, okay? Now what you want to do is to click on the 3-dotted line here and you want to click on edit code. So the moment you click on edit code, you're going to land on the page just like this, okay, which is the editor. And you want to come here. I'm going to give you this doc file here, okay, and you want to use this one that says to hide it using base. So you want to copy that, okay. You want to come back and you want to come here to origin, okay. You want to come to assets. You want to come to this base.css and you want to scroll down to the last part, okay, of this, and you want to paste that, okay, just at the last part. Just paste it at the last down part, all right. And you want to click on save, okay. And the moment you click on save, let's go back now, and you see the search icon is no longer there. Okay, so this is exactly the first way using the base.css. Okay, but whatever, maybe you don't want to use the base.css, you don't want to go that side because you don't really want to tamper with anything, you're a bit scared. It's fine. Let me teach you another method that is very easy just from this interface. All right, so now I'm going to go back now and I'm going to remove this, and just gonna remove that. So I'm going to click on save, and now the icon is back. All right, so now what we want to do is we want to click on, this is the header, right? So I'm going to go ahead and click on header, all right? But before I even go ahead to teach you guys this, please make sure you try and subscribe to this channel and join this family, and let's try as much as possible to get this channel to 10,000 subscribers. Please subscribe to the channel if you're enjoying this video already, all right? Now I'm going to scroll down now and I'm going to click on, you can see that there is no icon or no toggle icon to remove the search bar. So what you're going to do is you're going to scroll down to this part that says custom CSS, okay, and you want to come back to this doc file and you want to use this one that says to remove using CS, and you go ahead and copy that, okay, and come back here and paste. And you can see that the search icon is gone again. All right, so this is exactly how you can also do this using this. So this is just within this interface. Just come here to the custom CSS and paste it, and it's gone. All right, it's gone. All right, and if you're enjoying this, type it's gone in the comment section. All right, and another bonus trick that I'm going to give to you, which is the third trick, is using the custom liquid. Okay, so if you're done with this, you can just click on save and you can easily use this. But maybe you still don't want this, you want another trick, it's fine. Let's go ahead, teach you another hack, all right, another method. And what you can do is you can go back here, come here to this add section, okay, or this header rather, come here to the header, come here to header here, and you want to click on add section. But first let me click on add block, okay, so then click on add section, okay, and once you click on add section, click on custom liquid, and once you click on custom liquid, click on custom liquid again, and you want to come back here to this part that says to remove using CL, which is custom liquid, and I'm going to copy this again, and I'll come back here and I'll paste, all right, and you see the search icon is gone again. All right, so this is exactly how you can remove the search icon or the search bar from your Shopify Horizon theme. All right, I believe this video has been helpful. If it is, please make sure that you subscribe to this channel. It's a way to boost my morale and also keep creating video tutorials like this for you guys. So please subscribe, and even if you don't want to subscribe, it's fine, but please try and like the video so that YouTube can recommend it to several other people out there which are also who are also looking for video tutorials like this, just to make life easy for themselves. Thank you very much. I wish you the best in your dropshipping and e-commerce journey, and I wish you a lot of sales in your online store. Peace and have a nice day ahead. Bye.